In the heart of a busy city lived a man named Hamza. By every definition, he was successful, a brilliant architect, well respected, admired, and well paid. But when the lights dimmed and the city quieted down, Hamza would lie awake, his mind loud, his soul quiet. There was something missing, but he didn't know what it was. One morning, while opening the usual bills and brochures, Hamza's hand paused. There it was, a letter, old, yellowed, no stamp. His name written in fine, almost ancient handwriting. Inside was a single line, no explanation, no sender. If you seek truth, go where the sun kisses the earth. Curiosity turned into obsession. That night, Hamza booked a flight, no destination typed in, just away. He followed the sun, literally traveling west, through airports, dusty roads, quiet towns, until he found himself in a forgotten village near the edge of a desert. There stood a small wooden home with one sign. An old man sat outside, sipping tea as if he had been waiting for Hamza his entire life. Without a word, the man handed Hamza a small, cracked mirror. "Look," he whispered. Hamza hesitated, then looked. In that mirror, he didn't see his face. He saw his younger self running in fields, laughing with his brother, sketching dream houses on napkins. He saw the friends he abandoned for promotions. He saw himself slowly forgetting who he used to be. The old man broke the silence. "You didn't come to find a place, you came to find yourself." Hamza stayed in the village a day, then two, then weeks. He helped the locals, he prayed, he listened to the wind, and slowly he felt the noise in his head began to fade. One day, the old man handed him another envelope. This one had a name. It was addressed to his late father. "It arrived for you many years ago," the man said. Inside was a letter in his father's handwriting. "Son, if you are reading this, I am gone. But know this, life is not made of achievements, it's made of moments. Moments where your heart is quiet and your soul speaks." Hamza fell into his knees, tears blurring the words. He returned to the city, same roads, same buildings, but everything felt different. He apologized to all friends, he visited his mother more, he started designing homes for the poor. That single letter led him back to himself. One morning, he placed an envelope on a park bench. It said, "If you seek peace, follow where the sun kisses the earth," because some journeys begin with a letter.